everybody, we're gonna jump right into a haul video. I'm actually combining 3 videos together in one. This is the July Kiwi Lane kit that we got. I'm showing you the different papers, and I like this one because it's definitely America themed, the sort of that 4th of July Independence Day celebration type thing. You know, you have the red and white stars, and then there's a stripe paper that was really pretty with this with the red, white, and blue. But what I like about these colors too is that though they can be used for a patriotic layout, it doesn't have to. It can be actually really good for a masculine layout because it's those deeper colors. And then the templates that came with this, I'm showing them up here, and then I'm laying them down on the paper because it's a darker color paper, so they stand out. I love that Statue of Liberty. And then we have this tag, and you could cut out the little symbol or put paper behind it to give it a different color. And that one looks like a firework burst. And then you have the V, which can be used for military, you know, like if you wanted to create a patch on your layout for whatever rank your soldier is. I think that's really a neat idea. And then for the cards, look at this. They have the July cut out, so you could put paper beneath it. I think that's so cool. That was probably the greatest surprise in going through this, because I was like, that is ingenious. Same thing with the America. I love it. And if you're someone who loves sparkles, can you imagine with glitter paper behind it? Or yeah, I'm gonna make America sparkle. But I like how they did that with all of these, the different sizes. They have at least one that has a cutout section. And then the good thing about their cards too is that they will have a sentiment or something on the front, and then on the back is usually like a solid color or something. So if you don't like necessarily the sentiment, you can always use the reverse side. I like that. And then a little spot to journal on that one with the freedom. I love that. And then look at that. These are really cool. I really like the cards this month. Really did enjoy that. And I want to say for the kit, yeah, for the kit, that is it for the Kiwi Lane kit. Sometimes they have little extra bits. It all depends on, I think, what they have as far as the templates. I noticed when you have a template set more like this one, they tend to not have the like die, the enamel dots, stuff like that. Now this is a purchase that I got from, I want to say it was scrapbook.com. And I love these frames. I follow Tiffany Solario. I think I said her name right. And she always has these frames, and she does these great mixed media projects. And so I had to get me some. And then my last little bitty haul, and these are just little tiny ones. I had to get some refills on my Zig Real Brush markers, the pinks, because I'm a pink fanatic. We're running dry, so I got 3 new ones. I got the refill for the Squeaky Clean, and I wanted to try the Alabaster White embossing powder from Brutus Monroe, so I got a jar of that. And then this mold, I thought this was so cool because, you know, I showed you just a little while ago the round frames from Prima, and I was like, if I had a mold, I wouldn't necessarily have to always buy the Prima ones. I could still use it. And then the main thing I went for was this stamp set. Star of May, who is also Christina Warner, used that stamp set on a series of cards that she did using ink blending. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to get it. I had to get it because I love the ink blending, especially with the oxide inks, and the way that she created the they almost look like sunsets and silhouettes. If I can think of or find the video, I will link it either in the iCard or down below. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me on this really super quick video, seeing all the little goodies that I've gotten recently. And if you have any questions, I'll try and find the links for what I got at the different sites. The Kiwi Lane Club, my instructor is Beatrice, who is my friend who we do our sketchy collab series with. So if you're interested in that, definitely I'll have a link to her YouTube, and you can get over to her Kiwi Lane store from that. Okay, so thank you guys again, and I hope you have a great day.